Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a quick gift bag junk journal I'm going to show you here. And of course it's in fast motion. So I've taken a gift bag. It came, two of them from Dollar General. And I have cut a pocket down in the bottom of the gift bag. And so now I am going ahead and gluing that down. I have a pocket and it does extend all the way down to the edge of the journal, and that's going to become the front edge. So here I am going to go ahead and make a pocket in the front. This is going to do two things. It's going to make it so that I can add the button, and it's going to give me a large pocket that I can use the bottom of the gift bag, utilizing more and more of the gift bag. So there I am. I've got it open and checking to see that the card fits. There is a full tutorial of this video. I believe it was like October 6th on the DearJulieJulie YouTube channel. So I'm using the handle as my closure. And I have grabbed a button, and it does have a metal closure on the back of the button. You saw I just took a piece of stronger paper to go ahead and add in as a backing where I will be adding the button to the front. So now I'm sewing my button on. Oh, did you see it? I accidentally almost sewed the button through the pocket. So, yeah, as I always say, bloopers are included in my videos. Sometimes that's the best part. And so I'm sewing the button on, and you guys, this turns out so cool. So you just go ahead and tighten the button and tie it off, and you will have your closure. So using that back handle to close the journal. Now we're going to go ahead and pick some papers. Remember, I did a set of papers using the fall digital that I had given the Dear Julie Julie Patreons, and now I'm going to go through and cut them down because this gift bag's a little smaller. But first I want to make it so that the inside of the pocket, the button doesn't stop things that are going in. So I'm actually putting a Dear Julie Julie digital inside the pocket, and then I'll be cutting it off, and it worked out really, really well. A little extra touch that just makes the journal look more finished. So this is a look at the papers that I had chosen when I was making those Stash Buster journal pieces. So again, going to cut them down so that they fit inside this particular gift bag. I'm also adding in a Edith Holden page, and there's a gel print page. So there's different textures, different sizes, different sounds and feels of paper. And these were all extra papers that I had in my stash. So now we're going to go through. I'm checking to see how I like it. And we're going to go ahead and go through and start cutting the pages. That cup is my favorite digital page in this set of digitals. Again, they were given to the Patreons, where the Ruby, the $10 level, you get the digital kit, basically. So there's some ledger paper. I love to use ledger paper in my journals that I make. And so we're just cutting that one down. And then we're going to bring in another digital. This is the flip up postcard page, and I'm just cutting off the white edges. Just thought it would be easier and faster than going around it with a gold pen or distressing it. And so this is the gel print page that I had, And we're just going to rip it. It was a little bit too wide, so I'm going to rip that, put that in there. That gives you a different texture, some bright color. That was from a guest book page from, actually from my brother's funeral. I had bought a guest book and I made it, and that was some of the pages that are left over. So we've got that. Then we've got our coffee filter from Big Mama's house, and I've gone ahead and folded that up so that it'll fit in. And you can see there's quite a variety of digitals in here, and a lot of them I printed on both sides. And so here we have, I think that was steno paper, another digital piece from the fall kit, and then the Edith Holden page, and this is a gift bag, not a gift bag, it's the bag from a prescription bag from CVS, and so I'm adding that into the journal as well. So it is a junk journal, so it does have junk in it as well, things that you can collect from around the house. I'm making that into a insert that will go in the center of the journal. So the full-length video is 1 hour and 1 minute long, and we have a journal that is finished and ready to be a gift. You can fill it with embellishments if you like, or leave it just as it is. It has a pocket there. It has that big pocket on the front. We have the handle as a closure, and we're done.